Is this the affordable electric car we've been waiting for? Today we're taking our first look at the 2025 Fiat Grande Panda Electric, and at just £20,975, it might be the EV bargain of the year. Fiat has gone bold with the design here. This isn't your typical anonymous electric car. The boxy silhouette catches your eye immediately, and yes, they've actually stamped the word Panda right into the doors. It's quirky, distinctive, and unmistakably Italian. Walking around the car, you notice it has more of an SUV stance than previous Pandas. Standing just under 4 meters long, it's compact but doesn't look cramped. Those white steel wheels on the base model give it a utilitarian charm that somehow works. On paper, the specs are impressive for this price point. A 111 horsepower electric motor powers the front wheels, and the 44 kilowatt-hour battery delivers a claimed 199 miles of range. DC fast charging at up to 100 kilowatts means you can get from 20 to 80% in about 33 minutes. Pop the charging port and you'll find one of the Grande Panda's cleverest features, a built-in spiralized charging cable hidden behind the Fiat logo. No more digging through the trunk for cables. Inside, the Grande Panda surprises with its bright, colorful interior. The dashboard design nods to Fiat's historic Lingato factory, with pixel-like lights and square vents creating a fun atmosphere. The 10.25-inch touchscreen looks modern and includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. Space is surprisingly good for a car this size. The boxy shape maximizes headroom, and the 361-liter boot beats several competitors. Rear passengers get decent legroom, though tall adults might feel a bit cramped on longer journeys. How does it compare to rivals? It undercuts the Renault 5 on price while offering similar range. The Hyundai Inster has more versatile seating, but costs notably more. Only the smaller Dacia Spring comes in cheaper. While we haven't driven it extensively yet, initial impressions suggest a nimble city car with a firmer ride than its cousin, the Citroën EC3. The steering feels light, making it perfect for urban environments. The Grande Panda Electric isn't trying to be a premium EV, and that's refreshing. It's honest, cheerful, and focuses on the essentials while maintaining its Italian personality. For city dwellers wanting affordable electric motoring with a dash of flair, this little Fiat looks mighty tempting. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.